So once again, I assume at this point, if you've been watching any of these videos, you know how to strip wires and connect them to things. So I didn't think I needed to go through all that. This is the MPPT 40 amp controller, charger controller. So we come in here from the solar panels. They have their own disconnect over here. We come into the charger from the solar panels. Then we have to go out to the battery bank from the charger. Since we're here, we'll talk about this. I use this load out to do phone charging off of the old battery box that I built a while back. So it's still hot from there, so we can charge phones, whatever else we need to do. All right, back to this. So in from solar field, from the panels, out, as you notice, I skipped this because I don't want to shut, I forgot to do it, and I don't want to shut the whole system down and do it again because it's been cloudy for a couple days, so I'm barely hanging on here. All right. These batteries I ran parallel because I wanted to keep 12 volt. That's what this charger runs, not 24. So we come in again from battery bank. I'll do a full diagram, but to negative battery terminal, and the other one goes to the positive on the other one. Then negative to negative, positive to positive. All right, that keeps them parallel. Very large fuse here, 30 amp fuse that was recommended to deliver the juice to the inverter. All right, so now we come off the battery through this fuse, up, positive wire to a shutoff. Currently in the on position because we are collecting. All right, and then we're into the inverter. And for now, until this is up and running, because I don't have all the things I need, I'll just finish it next time I'm here. For now, we're running off these two extension cords that I attached to the wall so they don't pull out. Ultimately, this will go to here, but I need a ground still. So that's it. Simple. So once again, I built this for probably, I don't know, 30 bucks and attached the solar panels to it. Somebody's probably going to say that that's wrong, because it is. But it's what I had to do to make this work. These fell over last time I left them leaning up against the building. So I wanted to have something, that keep them from falling over. Again, like I said earlier, if you're watching this, you probably know how to screw wood together and cut it and shit. So I'm not going to sit here and bore you with that. This is what I built just to hold these things for now until I expand the system, and then I'll probably go to the roof after that. But there you have it. Simple, easy construction. Took me about 2 hours to build this.